Ayun guys, bibili tayo uli ng meron ako ditong winners. Good, good.
You want $10?
Okay, can I get one number 10, number 9, and 12? Please, thank you. Alright, thank you. Have a good day. So yan, meron tayo ditong bagong ticket, bagong pag-asa. Bagong ticket, bagong pag-asa. Yan, dito tumataya oh. So, dito may nanalo dito na somebody won $50,000 here. Yan, and also $15,000. Yeah. Tapos ito yung machine. Pwede kang bumili dito ng sa machine. Yan. Yan guys.